Hi YouTube, and how are you today? This is Lisa from Lisa's World, Lisa J's World, and today I want to do something different. I want to do an unboxing, but I'm just going to do the unboxing, hopefully. So I don't know if I will be successful in doing this unboxing, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm holding my phone. Let me turn this around. Okay. All right. We got the slip, and see, it is the crossbody. It's actually, they don't say it. It's the crossbody. It still doesn't even say it on the packing slip. It's the Oakland crossbody. It's hard doing this with one hand. There we go. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Okay, let's see if the tag says the name. It still doesn't say the name. I got this beauty, I think 1 something. Let's see, what was the price? I think it was like $145 or something like that, $143. This is the espresso, and this is a gorgeous bag. This is the Croco and Bowls. This is really nice. I really like this whole look here. I do like the pebble grain crossbody. It's not one of my faves, this particular style. And sometimes I have a problem with the sienna, trim on the corners. I kind of like a whole tonal look here. I love this bag. I really like Croco. Oh, my finger is like, ugh. Sorry about that, guys. I broke my nail, my thumbnail. You know how those thumbnails are. Okay, so this is the Dooney Bourke Croco and Bowls. This is the Oakland crossbody. I can't take the strap off, but you can see through the plastic here how the strap is a nice chocolate brown leather. That's really nice. So it matches the bag. The zipper is like a gold tone hardware. The zipper pull is a nice chocolate leather. That is really nice. And it has the gold. Is it gold? Nah, not quite. I think that's more the silver plate. This is really nice. I really like this. I like this particular style, the Croco and Bowls, because you can reduce this strap and wear it not only as a crossbody but as a shoulder bag as well. All right, guys, so that is my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like to get other videos that I do, you can hit the bell so that you'll get notified when I post a new video. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.